Samsung's next unpacked launch event is less than 5 days away, so all you have to do is wait a little bit longer if you want to dodge Galaxy S24 rumors and teasers. Just as new information about the Galaxy S24 series has just surfaced, for those who are keen to learn everything at once, information regarding the upcoming flagship is verified practically daily, providing more insights into what to anticipate. This time, Android headlines were the first to publish brand new official marketing photos from Samsung. The most recent leak demonstrates how artificial intelligence will be used for photo editing in these new smartphones, which will be of special interest to people who are anticipating the artificial intelligence aspects of the Galaxy S24 series. Removing and relocating objects from photos is one of the features that have been previously reported for the Galaxy S24 series. This is seen in one of the leaked images, which shows how artificial intelligence was used to edit a photo of a BMX rider riding up a ramp. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 series allows you to not only move objects in photos but also rotate and reduce them. The artificial intelligence is utilized to shift the rider higher in the air than their initial location when the photo was taken. An official promotional film for the upcoming unpacking event showcased this. Creating artificial data to replace the space where objects were previously may be tough, albeit it's yet unclear how flawless the final modified photos will be. Promo materials often display flawless outcomes, but in practical settings, artificial intelligence's ability to manipulate photos or videos might vary. More information regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera specs is also provided by the current leak. A 200-megapixel primary camera with 2x optical zoom without sacrificing quality will be included in this upcoming model. It will also have 2 telephoto lenses, a 10-megapixel lens for 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel lens for 5x optical zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.